Alright guys, so today we're gonna be unboxing a Razer. You get it? Like we're gonna be unboxing a Razer. Yeah. A Oraki V2. I do not know if I said that right, but I think I did. Oraki V2 mobile wireless gaming mouse. And it includes uh this. Yeah. It is Bluetooth. That is very nice. Hyperspeed, 25% faster, plus rapide. Uh, yeah, this, um, yeah, I'm not reading all. Razer. Guys, we're unboxing a Razer. Alright, this is the back. Yeah, I'm not reading all. Alright, guys, so I cut the tape off. Now let's unbox it. Alright. Okay, unboxing. All right. All right, let's pull this out. Oh, it's right here. All right, now here it is. Looks like we got some batteries. Yeah. Let's take this out. Okay, that just. All right. Looks like let's just squeeze it out. I mean, take it. Yeah, let's just take it out. And here it is. It's a mouse. Yeah. Okay, you focus. Yeah, this is the mouse. Let's hear her. Let's see how it clicks. All right, that's actually not bad. Yep. It's a good mouse. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Razer unboxing. Batteries. I'm not gonna lie. Am I actually supposed to put the batteries in? Because I am not seeing a screw. I mean, unless I take these out. Hold on. Like these out. But the thing is, it's just that that hurt me. That sound. Yeah, but I don't know if I guys, like, comment, and subscribe. I forgot to take out the batteries. Oh my, the batteries. All right. It includes one battery. Wait, what about this side? Is there anything else here? Wait, hold on. Okay, well, there's nothing else, so, yeah. Look, quick ASMR. Hold up. Wait, it's dirty. ASMR. I suck at